Hi, this is Team Triangle, and this is our interactive device called the Sound Lab. This device is used for people to play with everyday sound. And let me show the components of our project. This is the dropper used to collect the everyday sound you like. This is the test tube used for store the sound you collected. This is the jar for store the fixed melody. This is the flask used for do the sound mixing, and this is the cap for the flask used to stop the music. This is a small interactive device that you can interact with your friend. If your friends like the sound you're mixing, and he can wave this one, the smile face, to show their like, and they can also shake the cry face to show they dislike your sound. And let me turn off the light to show the function. Let me show you how it works. I will start my first recording to record the sound knocking at the glass bottle. I will start recording.
Finish.
Then, I will transmit the first sound into the first test tube. When the LED on, it shows that the transmit is completed. If I'm in favor of the sound of knocking at the iron box, I will record this is my second recording.
Start recording. Finish.
I will transmit the second sound into the second test tube. Now I will start my third recording. The third recording is the sound of my friend clapping her hand. Now I will start my third recording.
Start recording. Finish.
These are the two fixed melodies, and this is to ensure the music you mix is pleasant. And I can shake the bottle to hear the fixed melody. And when I shake it, it will begin to play. And this is the visual effect it produces. It will change because of the frequency of the sound you played. Let me hear the second melody. And I shake it, it will begin to play. Also, the visual effect produced by this second melody is displayed in this. If I forgot one sound, I can pick up the test tube to shake it, and it will begin to play back. If I like the first sound, I can pick up the test tube and pour into the beaker. After the transmit, the LED will off, show that it is an empty test tube. Also, I can take the third test tube and pour into the beaker. Now I will choose the second melody and add it to the beaker to ensure the pleasance of the music I created. Now I will do the mixing for you. Take out the beaker and then shake it. And I can tap the cap to stop the music. This is a device for people that can interact with their friends. If the friends like the sound they make, they can wave this part of the device to show their like. If the user dislikes the mixed sound, he can shake the cry face. Then it will alarm with a set tone, and the mix will be deleted.